Salut à tous. Ok, dans cette vidéo, je vais vous montrer comment supprimer le sitemap dans Google Research, dans la console de Google Research. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete a sitemap on Google Search Console. So we are going to start. On va commencer. Very easy. All you're gonna have to do is to find your sitemap. You click here. Okay, and from here you click the one you want to delete. So I'm gonna click here, and then from there I click here, and you click remove a sitemap. You click remove. Okay, there's another one. You click on the sitemap. Vous cliquez sur le sitemap. Ensuite vous cliquez ici, cliquez supprimer. You click remove. That's all. That's how you delete a sitemap. Donc c'est comme ça vous supprimez un sitemap dans Google Research.